Good morning, everyone. Uh, in this occasion, I want to tell you about personal injury and how to prevent at the vessel. For the first time, I want to introduce myself. My name is Denny Alfaruk. I'm from Nautical Thread Alpha. There are many of personal injury at the vessel. For the example is one, ice injury. Protection of ice is paramount important while working on ship. Shipboard jobs such as welding, shipping, painting, and working with hazardous materials such as oil, chemical, etc. pose great dangers to the eyes of ship personnel. Appropriate goggles or protective equipment should be worn while carrying out such job. Number two is hand injury. Working on ship requires handling hot and sharp objects. A variety of gloves are used to protect hands of seafarers. However, several accidents have occurred in the past because of using loose of wet, oily gloves. Hand injuries have occurred because of accidents due to trapping of gloves on drum and or machinery, slipping of objects, loss of grip, etc. And the number three is injury from falls and trip. Injuries from due to trips and falls occur due to slippery floor, oily surface, opening in the floor, tools or spare part laying off floor, etc. Accident because of falling from height, tripping off the rails, and slipping over ladders have also been commonly reported in the past. Number four is head injury. Head injuries are caused due to failure to duck when sleeping, overcoming, etc., and thus hitting the head on the door frame or bulkhead. Such injuries can also be caused while working on machinery system or due to sleeping and falling. Make sure you are wearing helmet and all the time while working or entering confined space. And number five is um, burn and scald. Burn and scalding are commonly used by hot pipelines, steam, and fire. They are also caused by shock from faulty electrical equipment. Hot oils, steam, chemical, and similar hazardous materials should always be handled with care to avoid such incidents. And number six is injuries from electrical shocks. Unheeded electrical connection and exposed wires can lead to fatal accidents on ship. Seafarers should be extremely careful while handling electrical connection, and no electrical equipment should be handled without proper knowledge or assistance. Moreover, personal electrical equipment should not be connected to the ship's electrical system without the permission of a responsible officer. Mm, Number seven is injury from misuse of tools or machinery or high pressure equipment. Injuries can occur due to misuse of tool or while not following the correct procedure for operating machinery system, moreover not using correct tools, unheated machinery, and incorrect method to use tool also lead to injuries. Failure in using protection when handling high pressure equipment can also cause serious injuries. And number eight is cuts. There are several sharp equipment and tools on ship. To avoid cuts, all these tools should be handled with care and must not be left lying around where someone may accidentally cut themselves. Broken glasses, grinders, and sharp knives or tools should be properly faucet or stored in a secure place to avoid cuts. Uh,